Welcome. In front of me I have STELIO Junior Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. So the first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, swipe up on the home screen to open, or rather to unlock the screen, and then swipe left to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the More option, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll down and find the settings icon and tap on it. And here look for the volume option and then tap on it, of course. And right here we can adjust the volume by tapping on the minus and plus buttons. And once you're done adjusting the volume, you can simply press the crown button to go back like this. And basically that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.